When you mouth tape, make sure you're not using regular tape and you're actually using real mouth tape. Sure, you might still get the benefits of really good sleep, a sharper jawline, and better health, but regular tape is not breathable like real mouth tape, so we definitely don't want you suffocating in your sleep. I've been mouth taping for about 5 months now, and look at this before and after of my jawline and facial structure. Not to mention the list of other benefits you get from mouth taping. Let me tell you, I have slept absolutely amazing and I wake up at 7 on the dot every morning. Make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your health in the long run. I recommend this brand because they also come with 30 of these nose strips for completely free.